Hey guys, my name's Tom. I was asked by a friend of mine to show him something that I've built for my stream, and I thought while I'm doing it, I'd just make a little bit of a tutorial video. This is my first time doing a video like this. Hopefully you guys get some use out of it. I hope you enjoy it. If you do, let me know. Maybe I can put together some others. I really enjoy playing around with my stream and building crazy things, and yeah, it's definitely a passion of mine, and being able to share it with my friends and other people is a huge plus. So what we're going to go through today is basically we're going to talk about MultiStream, and we're going to talk a little bit about MixItUp. If you're not familiar with MixItUp, it's a chat bot that I use in my streams. I know there's a lot of alternatives out there. One of the really cool ones that's pretty new is called StreamerBot. It looks like a pretty powerful tool. You'll probably be able to take some of the ideas from this video and apply it to StreamBot, but I haven't used it personally, so I'm not going to be able to show you how to do that. But what we're going to do today is we're going to set up a command in your MixItUp that's going to allow you to provide a multi-stream link to your chat, and then I'll show you a bit of an easy way for your mods or yourself to quickly update the multi-stream link as well. So first off, let me explain what MultiStream is. So MultiStream is a website. It's a free website that allows you to stream multiple Twitch channels at the same time. So in this example here, my friend Jay and my friend Scooter are both streaming. Scooter's playing Gartic Phone, Jay's playing Fortnite. And the cool thing about this is obviously I can see both streams, I can see both chats. Now, where this is really useful is if you're actually streaming with friends. So for example, last night, my friend Scooter and I, we were both playing Fall Guys. And what we did was we set up a multi-stream link, and it allowed our chats to click on the link, and then they can actually watch both streams at the same time. And so they get the perspective of both streamers, which is something that a lot of people like to do. And we want to make that easy for them. So the way I do that is in my chat, I've got a command that's just _multi. Now, I've also set it up to allow for multi-stream, or even a multi-stream with a space as well. It's a little bit delayed right now, but we'll get there, I'm sure. It's going to make me a liar. Oh, it's on cooldown. Of course, it's on cooldown. Let's try it again now. There we go. Yeah, the command was on cooldown, my bad. So yeah, the cool thing about MixItUp, you can have multiple commands point to the same action. So as you can see there, when somebody just types in !multi or multi-stream, just comes up saying we're streaming with our good friend Scootpunk. You can watch us both here. Now, the annoying thing would be is if you have to manually update that every time. So what I've also done is I've set up another command, which is update multi. Again, I've made that be able to do a space. There's a few different ways. I'll show you about that in a moment. And what you do is you add the person you're going to be streaming with. If it's going to be more than one person, so let's add Jay as well. You can add an additional one. You can add up to 3 people, which would make a total of 4 streamers with yourself included. So by doing the update multi, now what's going to happen is it's going to update that link and update the multi command. So there you go. It's given me a thanks because I was the one who did it. If one of my mods did it, it would actually thank them as well. Now, when I do multi, you'll see that the link has changed, and now it's got we're streaming with our good friends, Scootpunk and GameMate J. You can watch us all together here. And when we click this link, you'll see that it comes up with 3 windows, and the first one is yourself. So it's the main stream. I'm not live at the moment, obviously, but there it is. So it will have your stream up top and then the other 2 down the bottom. Like I said, you can do that up to 3 users, which would create a total of 4. So let me jump into MixItUp, and I'll show you exactly how I've done this. Now, in the where you want to go is you want to go into commands on the side here. So this is where the chat commands are. And I've got 2 chat commands. I've got one for multi-stream, and I've got one for multi-stream update. what I'm going to do is I'm going to export these so that you guys can actually import them, and I'll show you exactly what you need to change. So I'll show you here first though. You can see we've got the name, the group that I've put it under, and the chat triggers. By doing a semicolon in between each command, that's allowed me to put the space in that one. Now, this is a really simple one. This is to pull the multi-stream. So it's just going to take it from a text file. So you can save this text file wherever you like, and then it's going to paste that text file into the chat message. For the multi-stream update, it's a little bit more complicated because there's a lot of different conditional rules about it. But like I said, I'm going to export this so that you can just import it and make it easy. The links to download this will be down below. Let me do that for you now. So what you want to do is you want to click on New Command, and then we're going to import. And so I've got two here. We've got MultiStream Update and MultiStream. Let's do MultiStream Update first. So open this up. Like I said, you want to name it. So we'll name this MultiStream Update. You can choose a command to put it in, and then you want to choose the chat triggers. So I'm going to do update multi, and then I'm also going to do update multi with a space between. That way, regardless of what my mods do, it's always going to apply. Make sure you leave the auto include there. That means you have to put the exclamation mark at the start. And then what you want to do is you want to, I would recommend to unlock this command, but it's up to you really. Then what you want to do here is you go into the role, and I would change this one to mod. So you want to make sure only your mods can use this one. You don't want members of your chat just coming in and updating the link. So let's go through each of the actions in here. Now, if there's one person, it's going to do here, it goes arg count equals 1, and it's going to save to the file. The cool thing is, the way I've got this displayed here, you don't need to change this. You can if you want to adjust the words, but it's going to pull your streamer name, and it's going to pull the streamer name that you've typed into the command. All you'll need to do is select the file path that has the Word document, the text document that you're going to. For two people, let's check it out. You'll see it's slightly different because it's looking for 2 arg counts. They're the argument counts, that is. And here you can see it's updated our good friends and then the 2 of them. Same again for 3. So all you need to do is go in and update this text link to where you want it to point. That's the only thing you need to do. I've made it nice and easy for you. If you do want to customize what the text looks like, of course you can do that as well. Now, what I've also added in here is I've made a success. So if it works, then it's going to spit out this message saying thanks, whoever typed it in, command updated, and then it has what the command output is. If it fails, and the way it can fail is if they haven't put in any arguments. So if they've just done update multi and they didn't add an additional username, or they've added more than 4, it will actually come up here saying, sorry, only 3 additional users can be added to the multi-stream link. Again, you can customize that if you want, but you can just leave it too. The only thing you have to update is the text document. Cool. Now, I'm not going to save this one. I'm just going to close it, but obviously you would save it. And then what you do is you go in new command, import, and this time we'll do the multi-stream. Nice and simple again. You just want to update it to multi-stream, and you want to choose your chat commands. The ones that I use is multi-stream, and multi-stream, like that. So that way, regardless of what command your chat types in, they're going to get the same response. All you need to do is update the text document. It's as simple as that. Just update the text document to where you want it to point, and that's all you need to do. And then it will pull the chat message from the multi-stream link. So you don't need to change anything else in this one. This one's nice and simple. All you need to do is choose the right text message. And then from there, like I said, the only thing you'll be doing is coming in here at the start of your stream, who you're going to be streaming with. Let's say we're streaming with our friends Fangelica, A+J Games, and GamerMate J. I often stream with those 3. I do the update multi. And there it is. So thanks Tickets Tom, command updated, and then it has the link to all 3 of them. Now, whenever anyone in my stream wants to, they just type in !multi and it's there. I hope you guys enjoyed that. It's a really useful tool. I use it all the time, and it just saves a lot of hassle and a lot of time. If you have any questions, let me know. Jump into my stream if you like. I stream at twitch.tv/ticketstom. And yeah, I hope you found this useful. If you did, let me know. Maybe I can make some more of these. Like I said, it's something that I really enjoy doing. You can also jump into my Discord and ask any questions there as well. Thanks again, and happy streaming. See ya.